showing fissures or prints of small airways and black deposits. Okay, and what is the pathology here?
Red hepatitis.
This whole lobe. Can you see? This is whole lobe. Okay, the whole lobe is affected. Whole lobe appears solid. Okay, solid means what is the term in consolidation? Okay, the whole lobe appears consolidated or solid. It appears airless and red in color. Grocery ethic. And microscopically, what you will get? Red cells. Red cells, mini red cells that are is red in color. And this red cells is few neutrophils may be there. Those early. What are the different stages of
Four stages mainly
Congestion, red hepatitis, grey hepatitis, resolution.
initial stage? How many days? 1 to 3. 1 to 3 is congestion. Then red hepatization 2 to 4 याद करो ऐसे 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8 ऐसे करके याद करो ठीक है. So this is red in color, solid, appears airless and liver-like consistency. So it is a case of red hepatitis. ऊपर वाला portion. Liver-like consistency actually it appears when you do the autopsy. Autopsy में when you cut it, it will appear firm. जैसे liver जैसा firm रहता है वैसे because this normal lung tissue contains air, so it will appear solid, soft. Okay, and it will float away. So this is specimen of red hepatization, and here again this is 10% formalin preserved specimen of the cut surface of the lung, showing this is the fissure, and this is the diaphragmatic surface. This is the pleural surface. So identifying features there are openings of the smaller airways, or you can say bronchioles. ठीक है? Fissure is there. And what is the normal and abnormal tissue here? You can see this portion appears grayish brown. Grayish brown appears solid or consolidated. Whole lobe is affected. So it is a lobar pneumonia. So gray brown in color. It appears airless, dry, solid. So it is a gray hepatitis. Okay, and the rest of the tissue appears normal. So normal tissue is like that. This one, gray brown. It appears soft, spongy. ठीक है? ऐसा जो ये कलर इधर से दिखेगा. This one is normal tissue. This is whole lobe is affected. So why?
upper part is abnormal.
Upper part is normal.
Normal.
Lower portion is affected. देखो कलर देखो. It appears soft, spongy इस type का हाँ. ये it appears solidified, hard, airless. ठीक है. So this is gray hepatitis. और this one. So anybody you can describe this? बोलो बोलते जाओ चलो बोलते जाओ यहाँ से स्टार्ट.
This is a formalin preserved specimen of lung showing cavities. And
First you describe the normal tissue. How you are going to identify this tissue?
this is a specimen of lung.
Cut surface, the
Because it
longitudinally
has-
cut surface of lung.
Yes, ma'am.
Which lung is this? Which side of the lung is this? You can see the lingula.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Left side.
the specimen showing lingula. This is the pleural surface, and this is the diaphragmatic surface. So
surface.
this is the left lung.
Left lung.
Okay, then go to the pathology. So pathology is what here? Next, bolo. Showing a large cavity. छोटा मोटा cavity बहुत है इधर. So distinguishing feature is the showing a large cavity in the apex of the lung. And you can see there are multiple fibrous septa crossing in this cavity. and the base of the cavity shows yellowish white gaseous material. ये इधर बेस हाथ से देख दो. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And rest of the lung parenchyma is also showing multiple irregular cavities with gaseous materials in the cavity. Okay, here. Yellowish white gaseous material. Okay, so this is a type of secondary tuberculosis. Why is secondary tuberculosis? Apex is
Apex is a cavitary lesion.
Okay. Why the upper or the why the apex is involved?
Ventilation perfusion ratio is high.
High oxygen tension is there, and oxygen this tuberculosis, this bacilli thrive on this oxygen environment. Okay, then next. So this is type of diagnosis: cavitary lesion or cavitary tuberculosis of the lung. Fibrous cases, first fibrous cases lesion is there, then gradually cavitation occur. So you will call it cavitate lesion or cavitary tuberculosis of the lung. Okay. Then what is this?
Miliary tuberculosis.
When you look at this specimen, don't jump to the diagnosis. Direct नहीं बोलना है. So this is the ऐसे करके start करके पहले normal उसके बारे में बोलना है, then normal describe करना है, then pathology बोल के diagnosis बोलना है. Make a habit की क्या क्या बोलना है, हाँ? So 10% formalin present specimen बोले हो. Then cut surface of the lung. This is the bronchial opening. This is the bronchial opening. So this must be hilum. ठीक है? Hilum. And openings of smaller airways are there. Carbon deposits are there. Black carbon deposits are there. This is the pleural surface. Pleural surface. This is the fissure. Two fissures are there. There is no lingula. So it must be right lung. Two fissures are there. Okay. One should be horizontal and one should be oblique. So this is right lung. Then coming to the pathology. So the cut surface of the lung shows multiple almost similar size, millet size, greyish white or yellowish white, you can say yellowish white areas of consolidation. Consolidation means replacement of air by this either neutrophil rich exudate or tubercle मतलब granuloma बन गया तो. Okay, so these are actually foci of granuloma. Okay, these are, you can say, tubercles, multiple millet shapes, tubercles with areas of congestion. In fresh specimen you can see peripheral areas of congestion, थोड़ा सा reddish दिखेगा और solidification दिखेगा. So on microscopical examination you will see the granuloma. Okay. So in which you will see miliary tuberculosis, in which type of tuberculosis? Secondary. Actually, primary खत्म होने के बाद post primary tuberculosis you can say, post primary tuberculosis, and secondary later in secondary tuberculosis later part of this you will see miliary tuberculosis. When does it occur?
When
Dissemination of the
Dissemination
bacteria.
through
blood vessel.
lymphatic or lymphatic and hematogenous spread. इधर लंग में कैसे आएगा? राइट साइड जाके पल्मोनरी आर्टरी होके लंग में चला गया. एंड सिस्टमिक में कैसे जाएगा? लंग में टिश्यू लीजन है, इट विल गो थ्रू पल्मोनरी वेन टू राइट लेफ्ट साइड, देन go to different iota and they go to different organs of the body. Okay, miliary tuberculosis. Then this is the specimen of spleen. Spleen तुम लोग को पढ़ाए हैं डॉक्टर विनोद?
बस splenomegaly.
Splenomegaly causes वगैरह. What are the should know what is the site? Spleen का site है? लेफ्ट हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियम. ओके, 9th to 11th रिब की साइड में लेफ्ट हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियम में रहता है. यूजुअली साइज इज अराउंड 12.5 to 12.5 लेंथ, 7.5 broad. मीन हाँ, thickness thick is 2.5 अराउंड. तो इट सीम्स इट इज एनलार्ज्ड, बड़ा है. ठीक है, छोटा रहता है, इतना छोटा से छोटा, इतना छोटा रहता है, इतना सब. सो इट इज एनलार्ज्ड. सो स्प्लिनोमेगाली, इसमें तुमको दिस इज द 10% फॉर्मलिन प्रिजर्व्ड स्पेसिमेन ऑफ स्प्लीन. एनलार्ज्ड स्प्लीन कर सकते हो. एनलार्ज्ड स्प्लीन, दिस इज द हाइलम. ये वाला सरफेस जो है, दिस इज द हाइलम एंड दिस इज द आउटर सरफेस. इसमें और कुछ नहीं है. तुमको आउटर सरफेस तुमको जस्ट डिस्क्राइब करना. आउटर सरफेस, वेदर देर इज एनी कलर चेंज. कलर चेंज मीन्स वेदर देर इज सम एरियाज ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. जैसे इन्फेक्शन रहेगा तो वाइट थोड़ा लगेगा, ग्रेस वाइट लगेगा अलग सा. हाँ, एंड इफ देर इज एनी ट्यूमर, सो वहाँ पे कुछ एलिवेशन रहेगा इस टाइप का. बट हियर यू कैन सी इट इज होमोजेनसली एनलार्ज्ड. हाँ, सम एरियाज homogeneously enlarged, and this area appears greyish white in color. Grey brown to grey white in color बोलना है तुमको. outer surface smooth, it is smooth, isn't it? There is no nodule or no any lesion is there. This appears grey white in color. So this is the area of fibrosis. It's the diagnosis is fibro congestive spleen. इसमें बस वही तुमको पूछेंगे कॉजेस ऑफ स्प्लिनोमेगाली, उसको याद करना है जो सर बताए हैं. एंड व्हाट इज हाइपरस्प्लेनिज्म, उसको सर बोले थे मेरे को बता देने. हाइपरस्प्लेनिज्म, व्हाट इज दैट? हाइपरस्प्लेनिज्म, हाँ, स्प्लिनोमेगाली. First, in peripheral blood smear, you will see cytopenia. Cytopenia means anemia, leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia means pancytopenia है. Either one or all three blood elements. Okay, either anemia should be there or leukopenia or thrombocytopenia भी हो सकता है. One. Second point, bone marrow. Bone marrow either normocellular or hypercellular. Normocellular and or hypercellular. Second thing. Third, splenomegaly will be there. ठीक है. Fourth point is रिवर्सल ऑफ और क्या बोलेंगे उसको, व्हाट इज दैट टर्म, मतलब करेक्शन ऑफ पेरिफेरल ब्लड स्मीयर पिक्चर लाइक whether it is anemia or thrombocytopenia, leukopenia is there, that will be corrected after splenomegaly. ठीक है, स्प्लिनोमेगाली कर दिया तो देर विल बी करेक्शन ऑफ दी सिम्टम्स. सिम्टम्स बोले से जो भी एनीमिया से रिलेटेड सिम्टम था, ल्यूकोपीनिया से, थ्रोम्बोसाइटोपेनिया था, वो सारा करेक्टेड हो जाएगा. तो दी ट्रीटमेंट इज जस्ट स्प्लिनेक्टोमी. ओके, 4 points are there, remember? याद हुआ? दिग्रुचि में अच्छा दिया, बाकी कॉजेस स्प्लिनोमेगाली पढ़ना है. इसका साइज याद रखना है, 12.5 into 7.5 into 2.5. So this is enlarged. Outer surface grey white to grey brown, and this greyish white area is because of fibrosis. ठीक है, और then that section तो grey brown in color है, कलर है. कॉजेस में तुमको इन्फेक्टिव कॉजेस क्या है, एंड ट्यूमर क्या है, एंड कंजेस्टिव स्प्लिनोमेगाली ड्यू टू कंजेस्टिव पैथोलॉजी वो क्या है, उतना जाना. स्टोरेज डिसऑर्डर क्या है, रोमेंस में तुम लोग का दिया हुआ है सारा, उसको याद करना है. कॉजेस स्प्लिनोमेगाली तो मस्ट. ओके, तुम्हारा क्लिनिकल सब जगह पूछा ही जाता है. ओके, उसमें एक एडिशनल है हाइपरस्प्लेनिज्म, याद करना है. ठीक है. ओके, सेकंड ग्रुप